we are in a season of restoration. There's a lot of talk about leaving education, leaving teaching, leaving, no longer being an administrator, no longer. Whatever you decide to do, use this season of restoration to help guide. Remember I said that I was getting clearer vision, clearer heart, newness, options, and opportunities. Options might be doing something like I'm doing. I am utilizing my gifts, my talents, my assignment, as I believe God's called me to restore and support teachers, right? Maybe yours, you're 2 years from retirement. You have to hang in there. And so you're going to implore some ideas about restoration and renewal to get you to that finish line. You're almost done that master's degree or that doctorate. You are so close to getting your permanent teacher certification. There's no reason that you have to assume your story is going to be the story of others. So you might be in a season where you have to stay still. You have to finish where you are. You have to complete your race. So I want you to not forget to think about that as we're looking at restoring and restoring relationships. Maybe you need to go talk to that person in HR and find out the real details. What do I have left to do? What do I still need to do to get that certification, to get my advanced professional certificate or whatever the license is in your jurisdiction? Please, 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 let this week's concept of restoration with a focus on relationship take you to a new place. Take you to a place that you're really called to be, not where someone else is called to be. I'm here for the teachers staying in the schoolhouse. We need you. We need somebody there that cares. We need someone there that's going to make a difference. And for those who make other decisions to move on to other places, other stages, I've done that. I work at the university level, but I get the joy of still working with students. So those things that I was able to do in K-12, it's a little different where I am now. But it's really not. As a matter of fact, yesterday, I want to tell you a quick story. Yesterday, I had a little meetup with one of the students that I had in my 6th grade pullouts. She is a freshman in college. I was overjoyed. And every time we see each other, we say hey. She emailed, was like, we need to catch up. So just know that's where I'm supposed to be right now. Maybe I'm supposed to be there for her right now. Use this time of restoration to get back to thinking about where you are, where you need to be, and who are the players you need to renew and restore with. All right, y'all. That's all for today. Be well, be blessed, and I'll see you next time.